cousin. Oh, what can you say?
Kahit na wala, hindi ako nag-volley,
Yun.
harap ko pa rin.
Yan, tingin sa camera.
Yun, ano, what can you say? Please.
And especially for Tita Griselda and Tita Ikang for this day. And without them, this day will not gonna happen.
Yay!
Ah, talaga.
Pinarakas sa yata kanina yan.
Nag-iisip na ako.
Deos, kala mo.
Deos, kala mo makaligtas ka. Ha? Oh, how about you, Deos? English.
First of all, thank you for this day, especially Tita. We have fun and enjoy. Thank you so much.
Si Jennifer naman.
Oh, Jennifer. Oh, what can you say? Ano? Oh. Thank you po. Thank you po.
O si Natalie muna, pag-ulis na si ano.
Natalie, what can you say to the others? Especially your titos or your cousin, everyone here in ano.
Thank you guys for letting us play in the arcade.
Oh, si Sky naman.
Sky, about to Sky. Oh.
Sky, yun yun.
Last but not the least. What can you say to the others?
That's it? Ay, sus.
Ang sabi niya? Sabi niya?
Thank you for this day.
Thank you for this day. This day is a night to remember.
O, si Tita Tang naman.
Tita Dang, bumidya ka sa Tita Dang. What can you say to the others? Especially in your tayo sa mga pamangkin mo, Tita Ikang. Oh. Ay Tita Griselda. What can you say?
Speechless.
Speechless. Galing na English pa rin 'yun ah. Ay at Tita Ikang, ano na po masasabi niyo Tita Ikang sa amin o sa
Ay, thank you.
Ay, thank you.
It's your first card.
Si
Sorry siya. Thank ang babae.
Mas ko naman
Ilaw
ito.
tayo. Ay, kinuha mo lahat ng? Sige, kay hindi. Ulitin mo kay Kay. Oo, sige na. Ako na naman? Yeah.
Agad sa loob.
Thank you, everyone.
Yun lang.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for everyone here in the Philippines. No, basta thank you, salamat sa pag-appreciate and pag-enjoy sa aming pagliliba. Sana maulit muli ito at patuloy lang nating pasulungin ang ating sarili. Mag-iingat po tayo.
Ulit, RJ.
Why is it my turn again? You did not record. What am I gonna say? I am getting blinded by the lights first. Turn it off. Okay, so I forgot what I just said. Everyone's keep. Wait, what? I lost my English.
Thank you Brian sa kotse. Sa pinahirap mo.
Stay strong so that everyone, when we meet together again, we will have way more fun than this day, so that we would have a better experience, and will be a memorable day for the next time we meet together.
Thank you so much for your love and support.